If you use Krita every day, learning Canvas zoom shortcuts is one of the fastest ways to speed up your workflow and stay focused on painting instead of hunting through menus. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the main ways to zoom in Krita, from your mouse wheel and pen shortcuts to the zoom tool and the instant reset keys that can save you a ton of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. The easiest way to zoom in Krita is with your mouse scroll wheel. Just roll the wheel up to zoom in and roll it down to zoom out. This is the most natural method for a lot of users because it feels quick and familiar, especially when you're switching between detail work and checking the full image. If you're using a pen tablet, you can also use Krita's fluid zoom shortcut. Hold Ctrl and space together, then drag your pen or mouse up and down. As you drag upward, you zoom in. As you drag downward, you zoom out. One of the best things about this method is that the zoom movement is centered around the point where you started dragging, which makes it great for precise work on a specific area of your canvas. If you want zooming to move in steps instead of a smooth motion, Krita also gives you a discrete zoom shortcut. Hold Ctrl, Alt and space at the same time, then drag up or down. This snaps your zoom to preset increments, which can be useful if you prefer cleaner, more controlled zoom levels while you work. Another simple option is using your keyboard directly. Press the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. This is especially handy if you want to keep your hands on the keyboard and don't want to interrupt your workflow. The zoom changes happen in incremental steps, so it's a nice method for quick adjustments without using the mouse wheel. If you want more control, you can use the dedicated zoom tool from the toolbar. Look for the magnifying glass icon and select it. With the zoom tool active, you can click to zoom in, and if you hold Ctrl while clicking, you zoom out instead. You can also drag to select a specific area of the canvas, and Krita will zoom that selected area to fill the screen. This is a great choice when you want to focus instantly on one part of your artwork without manually adjusting the zoom level over and over. Now let's talk about 3 super useful canvas reset shortcuts in Krita. These are the kind of shortcuts that once you memorize them, you'll use them constantly. Press 1 to reset the canvas zoom to 100%, which shows the document at actual print size. Press 2 to fit the entire document inside the visible canvas area. This is perfect when you want to quickly see the whole composition again. And press 3 to match the zoom to the full width of the document, which is really helpful when you're reviewing layout or working on wide images. These shortcuts are small, but they make a huge difference in speed and comfort. Instead of manually hunting for the right zoom level every time, you can instantly jump to the view you need. That means less friction, less distraction, and more time actually creating. So to recap, you can zoom with the mouse wheel, use Ctrl and space for fluid zoom, use Ctrl, Alt and space for stepped zoom, press plus and minus for quick keyboard zooming, use the zoom tool for targeted focus, and use 1, 2, and 3 to reset your canvas view in seconds. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.